Today we are going to look at gold, and the big question is simple: will it go down or will it continue higher? Now that sounds obvious, but here is the real point. The market always gives us clues. The secret is knowing which levels to watch and what those levels mean. So if you are planning for a downside move, we'll check exactly which support level gold needs to break in order for you to prepare a sell trade. And if you think gold might go higher, we'll also see which resistance level is must break and hold above before you can plan a buy with a confidence. This way, instead of guessing, we build a clear plan. We'll ask, if gold goes down, how far it can realistically drop before the next support, and if it goes up, how far can it climb before hitting resistance. These are the targets that matters. I'll also show you the confirmation you should look for, so you are not jumping in too early and you are not leaving too late. Everything will be explained in step by step in this video, so make sure to watch it fully, because even one missed detail can change your whole trading plan. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you always get these forecasts on time. Alright, let's start by understanding the market structure. We will mark the important levels on the chart together, and then we will see what type of structure is forming right now. Is gold setting up for a breakout, or is it preparing for a reversal? So let's find out. First thing I do is I look for market structure. Right now, if I see the market structure on the gold US dollar, right now I'm on the H1 time frame, so the market structure is playing very nicely since yesterday. Even I discussed it with all of you as well. Today the market structure looks very beautiful, and you know, whenever I start analyzing any currency pair, I always try to look at the market structure, because the market structure gives us the nice direction of the market, which way the market is going, what type of opportunity we can plan for. So let's see. This is the H1 chart of the gold US dollar. I will give you a little bit of a recap of the previous studies, because if we don't look left or if we don't look to the past, for example right here, we cannot understand the market right here. In order to understand this structure of the market right here, we obviously have to read the previous structure. So at the moment, this is a very nice market structure forming at the moment. So yesterday there was a very simple trade opportunity we had. Most of you guys traded. Congratulations everyone for this profit. Believe me, this is not my magic. This is all your hard work and your understanding of the market and your interest in my strategy. So congratulations, this was target 1 and target 2, both of them were hit. I also posted it in my community tab of the channel, so I hope you must have seen that as well. Now, as the market structure previously gave a nice pullback from this resistance right here back to 36.30 approximately. This was the Asian session, and right here this was then the London session, and then this was the NY session. So in both of the 3 sessions, the market bulls took good part in moving the gold prices further up. Now these moves obviously make the market structures right here. What I am going to do is I definitely would like to highlight this trend line in front of you, because this is a Fibonacci number, this is a Fibonacci number, and even if I extend it, this is now a very independent trend line already establishing right here. What I mean by the independent trend line, which means that the bulls are playing very nicely and focusing on this particular trend line. So no doubt the market moved very nicely. Now market currently is standing at 3681.88, but if let's suppose one say I want to take a buy right here, how that person can take that particular buy right here, because you know we always need to wait for a confirmation. So if one thinks I'm going to buy right here, what type of structure will be present right here, I will be looking at that on the M15 time frame. For that, let's study this move right here. As we can see, market gave a nice break of the previous structure. What was the previous structure? The previous structure or the previous resistance we had was this. So we get a breakout, a retest of the structure, so resistance became support right here, and after that the market continued go up. So we let it go up, we didn't chase the market, we just let it go up. When it was coming back down there on the intraday scale, this opportunity we found, and after that when it was found, there was a very nice Fibonacci 61.8% retracement formed right here, and right here we have this trend line as well. On the basis of this previous resistance became support, so the trend line was established. 61.8% was right here, RSI and divergence was right here. A very nice move to the top side of the market right here we have seen. Where were the bulls looking to take their profits? Obviously this previous level of resistance, and this previous level of resistance push price back down to the trend line. It took another fresh 61.8% retracement. Let me zoom in the chart a little bit, and on this 61.8% retracement the bulls took complete advantage. These bulls who entered from right here, obviously they got their take profit 1, take profit 2 from right here near this all-time high of 36.75. but yesterday we have seen a very nice break of structure from right here, so I will be highlighting this for you as well. Now there is one ABCD pattern, and obviously this level is also broken, so I'm also going to delete it for now. There is one ABCD pattern, and that ABCD pattern even yesterday I discussed when I was discussing the market structure. So this ABCD pattern is pointing back to this zone of right here, 3710 approximately. And the current situation on the H1 time frame, we have several breakouts. So what is my ideal one? Obviously if I want to look to the buy side of the market, I will definitely look for a price to come back down to 3650 and 3660 somewhere at this zone, and between this place, maybe during the NY session or London session, whatever session it will be, I can easily become a bull again on the basis of the H1 time frame. But let's suppose if this is not the case, on the 15-minute time frame I want to show you one more thing, and that was right here. There was a very fantastic trend line already established right here. But on the 15-minute time frame, as you can see, yesterday this was also present. On Friday we have got a break of it, then a retest of it, and a very nice and beautiful trade opportunity this was. Now obviously this 61.8% retracement, if we miss, we miss. How to trade this particular level? I will like to draw your attention to the previous broken level. The previous broken level is right here, as you can see, and right now the market is clearly standing above this particular zone. So what's next? Obviously if it continues bullish, I will be discussing it on the 15-minute this bullish opportunity. But let's first discuss if this is going to come back down to 61.8% retracement, how that 61.8% retracement move can we get. That is very simple. We just need a break below this line of 3674, at least on the H1 time frame, and when the next H1 candle will be going back up to 3674, there we can either plan for this particular nice sell opportunity, and again from right here 3650 we can again plan for a buy opportunity. And the buy opportunity obviously will be giving us this opportunity of 3674. But let's suppose if this is not the case, what's next? Move on to the 15-minute time frame, and on the 15-minute time frame, if I show you, market already is in a sort of a range at the moment. So as it is ranging, we can buy sell between this range, no doubt. So on the 15-minute time frame, each time the market come back down to this 3674 broken level, it go back up. Each time it come back down, it go back up. Each time it come back down, it go back. Each time it come back down, it go back up. Each time it come back down, it go back up, which means that this level on the intraday scale is very important for all of us. 3674 approximately it is, and what it is going to show to us, if we get a break above this particular zone, we can further look to the upside of the market on the retest right here. Make sure, remember everyone, make sure you should have plenty of information about the breakout and the retest. Now further, if I see this level again, if the price come back down 3675, the next thing is maybe during the London session, obviously the bulls will be attacking it right here. There is some sort of liquidity right here, it can be grabbed, and there is one other possible opportunity with us, and that possible opportunity will be, since this is now already A to B right here, and if I draw it as this, it will be showing me a correction back to this 61.8% retracement. So this sell will either be below this will be a whole range with us. So just don't blindly trade this breakout from just a single level, but try to treat it as a zone between 3674 and 3667. So yes, that H1 plan even make more sense. We need a clear break below 3667, and then this 172 pips is for sure with us. Now if you guys think it may take a lot of the time, well, this whole forex market is the name of patience, okay, nothing else. So the desired one, there is a strong pullback that can occur 3667, and this pullback definitely will be showing us a further up move towards 3703 and maybe 3710 as well. The ideal one, obviously, all of these are the levels. If one pay proper attention to these levels, I am sure enough that trader will be making lots and lots of the profit. See, this is an opportunity with us. See, that is an opportunity with us. When market come back down, we can buy from here, plan for a buy. This is an opportunity with us. There is this ABCD pattern, a buy from right here back to up there. This is an opportunity. And if one is afraid of the stop losses and stuff like that, well, I think you guys need plenty of practice. You should try to deal with your fears first. I try to explain each and everything in my live streams. My live streams is not just to prove myself or something, but I just want to give you how to practice patience, how to practice less fear, how to practice less FOMO, etc. So I focus on the psychology on the live market in my live stream. I hope you will be joining me today in the NY session, and I hope you guys make lots and lots of profit. If you like this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.